Everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how you can buy a voucher using the Standard Bank app. So the first step is to begin, like go to your home screen and then select buy. Select this button here and then select the vouchers from the list of prepaid services and then select the type of voucher you'd like to buy from the list of vouchers. For example, it has food and travel, streaming, gaming, and more. So choose food and travel, for example, and then choose the Uber voucher from the list of available travel vouchers, right? And then complete the name and email address of the person to whom you want this voucher sent, and you must accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Then tap on the links to open and read the Uber and Standard Bank terms and conditions. Then whenever you are ready, select review and check everything one last time. Then when if all is good, then click the confirm button. And that's all done. Your Uber voucher has been successfully sent. Now let's scroll down and tap the redemption restrictions here to see how to redeem your voucher. And just click the Uber app and click on menu, then tap on payment and scroll down to promotions, and then tap on add promo/gift code to enter the code. And finally, select done to return the prepaid services screen. And that's all there is to it.